Hello and welcome back. Hope we are good. Hope you are good, doing well. So we are having Bitcoin analysis. Bitcoin setup was setting up over there for short to medium term and even longer term. So, but before going to look at that, if anyone want to join us, just simply visit wave-trader.com for training or trading or looking for setups. There are membership levels. You can check those membership levels, and if you're looking for any further information, just fill that form and send that to me. All right, now let's move to the Bitcoin. So we were having a chart term, a setup over there building on the BTC. Yeah, so we were expecting Bitcoin to rise within the daily correction. So what's happening within that daily corrections, you're going to see within these updates. And the bigger analysis is still the longer term breakout for upside on a daily correction. So you're going to get those, that chart within, the update on those charts within these videos. All right, so Bitcoin, when it was in flat and then from flat to turn into, a daily correction there, you can see there, yeah. So in all those charts. Okay, now let's look at this recent one quickly, and then we're gonna look for what's next. All right, so let's just BTC setting up for the long again. Let's look at this. So I'm gonna play it. And gonna slightly
buying
fast
momentum
forward
over there on Bitcoin after a couple of good news. Heard yesterday that Binance is opening another exchange in Japan. Bad news. The credit rating downgrade of the US by the Fitch, and that's putting pressure on the indices as well. So I'm not anticipating Bitcoin to break through after having those news and continue to keep pushing more higher. All right, I'm not anticipating, but that's what we are looking. All right, I'm not anticipating right now in the current environment. The news broke out, but we are still looking to do that. All right, if it does not break out, okay, and keep dragging lower, okay, another leg lower, very much similar like these moves. All right, and retest this low or test that daily moving averages over there, and then continue to keep pushing more higher. So we are having short-term target. We can say that over there, that target has reached. So on a daily time frame, we are still there where we were previously. Okay, we got some buying momentum over there. Clearly, you can see that the once price tag within those moving averages, buyers jumped in. All right, buyers started to jump in. So let me check the exchange. All right, so what it says that either we are having buyers over there sitting at moving average or not. So if so, then obviously you are paying attention over there. So that daily is being held, we can see clearly over there. So let's check. So some buyers are sitting over there at 2860, these areas, okay, within the moving averages. So they are trying to buy at these areas. There you can see that at 2850. So almost 400 bitcoins is sitting over there to get into the market. So 400 Bitcoin liquidity is just sitting over there. So it's a good place, yeah. So as shown that we still may see another leg lower, okay, another leg lower within that correction for upside. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna look at the 4-hour time frame, yeah. So this is your formation. So price is struggling under those moving averages. We can see clearly over there, okay. Try to break through that, but struggling. So we still may see another leg lower back to that bottom or new low. All right, so we are not interested into that move. We are more interested to break up or give us a buy leg from the lows.
Retail trading charts like this.
The previous video analysis, we can see that the move is just simply happening over there. The drop, both moves has happened over there. We got a bounce off, and then again the slow drop is just simply happening over there. So what we can expect from the Bitcoin now, again, same analysis. First of all, you're looking price to hold this area, all right? So do not break below, hold this, and then again bounce off, go back to this top, same trade like that, right? And possible breakout and continue to keep pushing more higher. So if you don't get that bounce, all right, and price is going to waylay that previous low and forming new low, okay, then this bigger structure gonna stop to get into this play. All right, this bigger structure, which I was talking about since very long. So that bigger structure, not that bigger structure, yeah. So that bigger structure is still behind. all right, I mean below, which comes at 25k. So this structure is also important because we are having, you know, daily moving averages gonna being tested by this bigger correction. So you're obviously gonna pay attention at you know, these new low as well. So first of all, as okay, now let's get back to the update. Okay, so if I'm gonna pull out the moving averages, and we can see that the moving averages are just coming over there, and the momentum is shifting for the upside, like there. Right, so nice buying over there, and then moving averages held, broke out, another correction, broke out, another correction is just help, and you know, happening over there. And so we are having, you know, Bitcoin updates within these areas. If you're gonna look at those updates on YouTube, all right, so on my channel, so BTC, yeah, you're gonna get the idea that how we are, you know, trading within that daily correction and this area. Okay, now it is simply setting up for a, you know, next leg higher, something like that, or a drop all the way up to this area. So I'm not anticipating that, all right, because momentum is setting up over there for breakout now. So lower time frame where we were having update, previous, you know, update, right? So we got a nice momentum over there, and this area we were expecting it to drag for another leg lower, test this area or new low. So we held that again, these lows couple of times, and then bounced off. Okay, now what's next? The analysis is very much simple again, all right? So the breakout is pretty much strong right now. Okay, first of all, we are expecting it to just break out and continue to keep pushing more higher like that. All right, slightly correction slightly can get bigger, so we break out and continue to keep pushing more higher. So if we don't get that correction and price fall for another leg lower, which is possible, very much similar like these areas, okay, then again hold this low or slightly lower. Okay, this again, this low or slightly lower than that. Okay, then again continue to keep pushing more higher. So that's the analysis again. All right, so if I'm gonna look at the bigger daily time frame, okay, we clearly can see that the moving averages are coming over there and trying to hold that trend, these areas. So we are paying attention there, and this seems a breakout right now, but the strength is not there. Okay, it looks like a breakout is happening, but we don't have a strength. All right, so we need a strength like that, clear strength, clear aggressive candle, and just leaving the correction. So we are not having this. May continue, it may continue, all right, it may continue, but you are not expecting it to continue. You're expecting it to just fall for another leg lower, all right, and the correction to just slightly get bigger like this, another leg lower, and then you are looking again for buy. Don't chase that. You only can chase this if the move is going to continue very aggressively. So I wouldn't suggest you to chase that on daily time frame. Yeah, so as shown on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, we still can see another leg lower. Okay, there is no, you know, we still can see like that. Okay, there you see now. So we still can see another leg lower. So these short-term trades gone. Okay, so if I'm gonna remove this, yeah, so you're looking for these short-term trades if price again gonna come back within these areas. And if I'm gonna move these structures forward for longer term, right, so that's the updated structure now. So we are still within this bigger correction. Okay, this broke out, then again corrected to the downside, broke out. We still may see another slight deep correction like these areas. So you, yeah, so if you already caught that, you're looking it to break out and continue. If it doesn't get out, and then look for it to drop for another leg lower, this area or slightly lower than that. So we are still within this structure. Okay, we still may see another leg lower for one more the downside before you're going to continue to keep pushing more higher. So right now it's going higher, you're looking it to continue. Don't chase that at the current price. If you are already in from these lows, then you are looking to continue.